Ever feel overwhelmed by emotions, chaos, or other people's opinions? Imagine facing life with calm, clarity, and unshakable strength. That's the Stoic mindset, a way of thinking that's helped warriors, emperors, and great minds stay grounded in every storm. In this video, you'll learn 5 powerful Stoic principles that can help you take control of your thoughts, emotions, and your life. Ready to think like a Stoic? Let's begin. Number 5, Memento Mori. Remember, you will die. In Meditations, Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." This isn't morbid, it's powerful. Stoics use this reminder not to fear death, but to fuel life. And when you truly accept that your time is limited, you stop wasting it. You become bolder, kinder, more focused. You stop waiting and start living. So ask yourself, if today were your last, would you be proud of how you're living it? Number 4, prepare for the worst. Premeditatio Malorum. The Stoics had a practice called Premeditatio Malorum, the premeditation of evils. It means imagining what could go wrong before it happens, not to create anxiety, but to build resilience. When you mentally rehearse adversity, life's setbacks don't shake you. They meet a mind that's already prepared. As Seneca said, he robs present ills of their power who has perceived their coming beforehand. This isn't pessimism, it's emotional armor. Number 3, prize virtue above all. To a Stoic, virtue is the highest good, not wealth, fame, or comfort. The 4 cardinal virtues are courage, temperance, justice, wisdom. Every challenge, conflict, or moment of doubt is a chance to practice these. Did you act with courage when afraid? Did you stay calm in chaos? Were you fair even when wronged? Did you choose wisdom over impulse? For the Stoic, character is destiny. Everything else is just noise. Number 2, embrace everything that happens. Amor Fati. Amor Fati means love of fate. It's not just accepting what happens, it's embracing it, even when it's hard, even when it hurts. The Stoic doesn't say, "Why is this happening to me?" They say, "How can I use this?" Every setback is a setup for growth. Every obstacle is a chance to rise. Life doesn't happen to you, it happens for you. Don't just endure it, love it. And number 1, focus on what you can control. At the heart of Stoicism lies one golden rule: control what you can, let go of what you can't. We waste so much energy worrying about things outside our influence, opinions, outcomes, the past. But true freedom begins when you shift your focus inward. Your thoughts, your choices, your effort, these are yours. And that's where your power lives. Master yourself, and the rest will follow. These 5 Stoic principles aren't just ancient ideas. They are tools to help you stay grounded, calm, and powerful in a chaotic world. If any of these lessons resonated with you, don't keep them to yourself. Comment your favorite Stoic idea and subscribe to Oceanic Mind for more powerful insights to sharpen your thinking and deepen your peace. Until next time, stay grounded, stay mindful, stay strong.